Wilton Hunt over here. If you're looking to rebrand your business or just have a little bit of uplifting of the branding of your business, you might want to consider just changing the font section, right, of maybe of your website, of your brochures, of any literatures you have, any articles, documents, things like that. And just by changing the font will give a huge lift. And there are a lot of free resources out there that you can look for fonts. So for example, if you just go to fontsgooglecom, once you get in there, you can just choose, the categories. Typically, you would want sans serif. And you will see there's, very, very much tons of different fonts that you can choose from. And interesting here is you can just choose by most popular. Okay? And these are the most, I'm just gonna sort, okay? And you can choose the size, right? So you can see what it looks like. You can type something here and see what it looks like. And once it's sorted by most popular, you can see, okay, wow, this might be one that might look pretty good. Click on it and you get to see what it looks like, right? Regular 400, this is what it looks like. And if you go a little bit larger size, even bolded, what it looks like, right? And you can easily select the style and download it for a use. So that's great, right? You can just download the whole thing. So this is a free resource for you to play with. And you can just go, or if you want to purchase fonts, you can go to myfonts.com. And from there, you can browse different types of fonts, sans serif, and you get to see, right, which font you like. For example, if you like this one here, for all of your literatures, right, you can easily get these. So just by having new fonts will give you a totally new lift to the branding of your business. And typically, if you like your email articles, literatures, the fonts really do matter.